हाय एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो आज हम देखेंगे 8th क्लास सोशल साइंस हिस्ट्री में सिविलाइजेशन 7th चैप्टर सिविलाइजेशन नेटिव एजुकेशन एंड नेशन। उसके बारे में एमसीक्यूज देखेंगे, ऑलमोस्ट 50+ एमसीक्यूज। ज़रूर एंड तक देखना, हर टॉपिक कवर हो चुका है पूरा लेसन का। और जाते जाते सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। चलिए आप डन। Who played a significant role in promoting Western education in India during the British rule? उर्दू में भी है, आप पढ़ सकते हो। तो इसका आंसर है राजा राम मोहन रॉय। Who played a significant role in promoting Western education in India during the British rule? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next one, which system of education was dominant in India before the British introduced modern education? So आंसर है गुरुकुल सिस्टम, मद्रसा सिस्टम, पाठशाला सिस्टम, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सो ये पूरे भी है, सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव आंसर। नेक्स्ट वन, इन विच ईयर वॉज द फेमस उड्स डिस्पैच इंट्रोड्यूस्ड? उड्स डिस्पैच इंट्रोड्यूस कौन सा ईयर है? 1854। हु एस्टेब्लिश द अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी? अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी सर सैयद अहमद खान। नेक्स्ट वन, what was the main objective of introducing English education in colonial India? Option B आंसर है to create a class of educated Indians loyal to the British. Next one, who among the following established the Ascetic Society of Bengal? William Jones. Option B. In which year was the Kolkata Madrasa established? कोलकाता मदरसा किस साल कायम किया गया? 1781. Next one, what was the primary aim of William Jones and other Orientalists in studying ancient Indian texts? Option B, to redissolve Indians' ancient heritage. Next one, which institute was established in 1791 to encourage the study of ancient Sanskrit texts? Hindu College, Benares. Option B. Next, who was the Governor General that supported the Orientalist perspective on Indian education? Warren Hastings. Option C. What general was started by William Jones and his colleagues? Option C. Asiatic Research. Next one, who introduced of civilization the native in India? British officials. Next one, what was the main purpose of British education policy in India? To create a class of loyal subjects. Option B. Who founded the एस्थेटिक सोसाइटी ऑफ बंगाल? विलियम जेम्स। जब से मैं थोड़ा ऐसा डिफरेंट पूछी थी तो विच इंस्टीट्यूट वॉज सेट अप इन 1781 टू प्रमोट इस्लामिक स्टडीज? कलकत्ता मद्रसा। तो क्वेश्चन कैसा भी पूछ सकते हैं, तो थोड़ा डिफरेंट मॉडल। नेक्स्ट वन, इन विच ईयर वॉज द हिंदू कॉलेज इन बनारस एस्टेब्लिश्ड? 1791. हु बिलीव्ड दैट एंशिएंट इंडियन tests held the key to understanding India? William Jones and Nathaniel Head, Henry Thomas, all of the above. So all of the above answer. What was the main focus of Orientalists? Indian ancient texts. Hindustan Qadim Mutwan. Who played a key role in establishing Calcutta Madrasa? Warren Hastings. What was the goal of the British in promoting Oriental studies? To win the hearts of Indians. So option C answer. Next one, what was the publication started by the who was one of the key critics of Orientalist education in India? James Mill. According to James Mill, what should have been the aim of British education in India? To teach successful and practical knowledge. Who declared that Eastern knowledge could not be compared to Western knowledge? Thomas Bibington Michael. Option A. Next, in which decades did a criticism of Orientalist become sharper? 1830s. What did Thomas Michael believe about India? It needed to be civilized. इसे महज़ब बनाने की ज़रूरत. What was the main criticism of Oriental education according to James Mill? It was full of error. What language did the British prefer to teach after criticism of Orientalists? English. Who believed that Eastern literature was non-serious and light-hearted? James Mill. Next one. What was Thomas Michael's opinions about Indian knowledge? It was inferior to Western knowledge. Option C answer. Next one. What term was used for local language by the British? Vernacular. Option C. Did Thomas Bibington Michael present his famous mint on Indian education? 1835. थॉमस बेबिंगटन माइकल ने हिंदुस्तानी तालीम पर अपने मशहूर रिपोर्ट कब पेश किए? 1835. According to Michael, what did Indian dialects lack? A literary and scientific knowledge. Option A. What was Michael's opinions about translating valuable works into Indian languages? It was not easy. Option B. Which language did Michael emphasize for education in India? English. What did Michael believe about Indian dialects? They were poor and rude. What was the main purpose of Michael's mint on education? To promote English education. Next, what did Michael reject negative Indian language for higher education? They lack literary and scientific knowledge. Option B answer. Next one, what did Michael propose as the medium of education in India? English. To Michael, how could Indian language be enriched? By translating Western works. What was Michael's overall vision for Indian education? To create a class of English educated Indians. In which year was the English Education Act introduced? 1835. Who introduced the English Education Act of 1835? Thomas Bibington Michael. What was Michael's opinion about Indian and Arabic literatures? It was inferior to European literatures. Option C. यह यूरोपियन अदब से कमतर था. What did Michael believe English education could provide to Indians? Option A. Access to Western literature and science. What was Wood's dispatch primarily focused on? Promoting European education. Option C. Next one. What was one of the economic benefits mentioned in Wood's dispatch? Expansions of trade and commerce. Option B. Next. According to Wood's dispatch, what effect could European education have on Indian society? Create demand for British goods. What terms did Michael use for Oriental institutions like Calcutta, Madras and Banaras Sanskrit colleges? What terms did Michael use for Oriental institutions like Calcutta, Madras and Banaras Sanskrit College? Temples of darkness, अंधेरे के मंदिर. What was the medium of instructions proposed under the English Education Act of 1835? Answer C. English. Who issued Wood's dispatch in 1854? Charles Wood. What was one of the moral benefits Wood's dispatch claimed European learning would provide? Truthfulness and honesty. According to Wood's dispatch, what was lacking in Eastern literature? Moral values and duties. In which year were universities established in Kolkata, Madras, and Bombay? Bombay, 1857. What administrative change did Wood's dispatch suggest for education? Established of Education Department, option B. Which skill did Wood's dispatch emphasize as essentials for administration? Moral character. What was the purpose of introducing university in Kolkata, Madras, and Bombay? To produce skilled administrators. Option B. What was one key focus of Wood's dispatch regarding school education, moral and character development? Option D. Who issued Wood's dispatch? Charles Wood. What was the broader aim of European education according to the Wood's dispatch? To strengthen British administration. Next, what did the British hope to achieve by introducing European education in India? Economic benefits. Option B. What was the primary object of education as stated in Wood's dispatch Wood's dispatch of 1854? Promotions of European knowledge. What did Wood's dispatch emphasize about European knowledge? It would promote European arts, service, and philosophy. Option C. Next, which documents officially supported European knowledge over Oriental knowledge in India? Wood's dispatch. Option B. What was the key arguments for introducing European knowledge according to Wood's dispatch? Option C. To spread European arts and philosophy. According to Wood's dispatch, what was seen as essential for Indian progress? European knowledge. What did Wood's dispatch argue European knowledge would bring to India? Scientific and philosophical advancement. What did the British believe about European literatures compared to Indian literature? Option C. European literature was superior. What was seen as the foundation for Indian society development by Wood's dispatch? European knowledge. What was the main aim of education according to the Christian missionary in India during the 19th century? Option A. To improve the moral characteristics of people. Next, why was the East India Company initially opposed to missionary activities in India? Option A. It feared a reaction from the local population. Where did Christian missionaries establish a mission when they could not set it up in British controlled areas? Sirampore. Option A. In which year was the printing press set up? Christian missionary in Sirampore, 1800. What did the British government in India feel after 1857 regarding missionary education? Was reluctant to support it. इसने इसकी अहमियत करने में हिचकिचाहट महसूस की. What was the reason behind the British reluctance to support missionary education after 1857? Option A. Fear of angering local customs and beliefs. When was the college established in Sirampore by Christian missionaries? 1818. 1818. How did missionaries view the role of education in India? As a tool for moral and religious improvement. Option A. What did William Adams reports about the number of Pathshalas in Bengal and Bihar in the 1830s? Over 1 lakh Pathshalas. Option B. How many children were being taught in the Pathshalas of Bengal and Bihar according to William Adams' report? Over 20 lakhs children. Option B. How How were the Pathashalas in Bengal and Bihar different from modern schools? They had no fixed fees, printed books, or school buildings. Option C. Where were the classes in Pathshala sometimes held? Under a banyan tree, in a shop, or a guru's home? At the guru's home. Option B. What determined the fee in the Pathashalas? The income of the parent. Option A. Why was the education system in Pathashalas flexible? All of the above means यहाँ पे देखो. It allowed students to study at their own pace. It did not have fixed schedules or fees. Classes were not held during harvest time. So all of above. What was the teaching method used in the Pathashalas? Oral teaching based on the needed of students. Option B. तलबा की ज़रूरत के मुताबिक ज़बानी तदरीस. Who was responsible for starting the Pathashalas? Wealthy peoples or the local communities? Option B. What was the main goal of national education according to the Aurobindo Ghoshi? To awaken the spirit of nationality among students. Option B. According to Aurobindo Ghoshi, how should education be impaired? According to Aurobindo Ghoshi, how should education be imparted? अरविंदो घोषी के मुताबिक तालीम कैसी दी जानी चाहिए? Impaired. In the vernacular. Option B. What did Aurobindo Ghoshi believe about Western scientific discoveries? Option B. Answer: they should be fully utilized in education. Next one. What measures did the British government take after 1854 to improve vernacular education? Introduce regular inspections and set rules. Option B. According to Mahatma Gandhi, what was the impact of English education on Indians? Option B. It created a sense of inferiority and enslaved them. इसने कमतर होने का एहसास पैदा किया और इन्हें गुलाम बना लिया. Option B. What was Gandhi's views on using English as the medium of education? Option B. Answer: to disconnected Indians from their own culture. What did Gandhi believe should be the focus of education? To teach students how to work with their hands and develop practical knowledge. Option B. Answer. What did Mahatma Gandhi believe about literacy in education? Option B. Literacy alone did not count as education. Mahatma Gandhi, what is the true goal of education? To develop body, mind and spirit. Option B. According to Gandhi, what should be taught first in a child's education? A useful handicraft. What was the main aim of Ravindranath Tagore's school in Santiniketan? To encourage creativity and self-learning. What was Tagore's criticisms of the exciting schools? They kill the natural desires of children to be creative. Option C. What was the main difference between Gandhi's and Tagore's views on education? Option B. Gandhi criticized Western civilization while Tagore wanted to be combine it with Indian tradition. Option B. What did Tagore believe about the environment of education? Option B. Education should be in a natural environment to encourage creativity. What did Gandhi think about the role of hands-on skills in education? Option B. They were essential for developing the mind and soul. यहाँ तक पूरे चैप्टर के सारे पूरे इम्पोर्टेंट ही नहीं है, पूरे चैप्टर के कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं एमसीक्यूज. आप एक बार जाके चेक कर सकते हो पूरा चैप्टर कवर हुआ नहीं हुआ. और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाय. टेक केयर. ऑल द बेस्ट. दुआ की गुजारिश.